Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Chainlink link from your Coinbase wallet to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your assets safely and efficiently. By the end, you'll feel confident handling your digital currencies. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase wallet and a Gemini account set up. You'll need some Chainlink tokens in your Coinbase wallet, and don't forget to verify your identity on Gemini if you haven't already. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or head to the website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select the Chainlink link tokens you want to withdraw. It's that simple. Look for the asset list on your dashboard. Next, find the Withdraw or Send option, usually located next to your asset balance. Here, you'll enter the amount of link you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions often involve network fees, so check the estimated costs to avoid surprises. These fees can vary based on network congestion, but in 2025, blockchain tech is even more efficient. Now, for the key part. In the withdrawal form, select the network, typically Ethereum for Chainlink, and input your Gemini wallet address. Double-check this address to prevent any errors. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Gemini provides an easy way to copy your deposit address, so hop over to your Gemini account, go to the deposit section, and copy the link address. After confirming the details, review the transaction summary. Hit Confirm, and wait for the blockchain to process it. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, you'll see the funds in your Gemini account. Yay! A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.